Hi, today we are going to see grammar part of 10th standard, characteristics of modals. So what is modals? Modals are never used as alone. They are used with a verb. So modals do not change according to the number or the person. Example, I can, we can, you can, and they can, etc. Modals have no infinite present participle tense or past participle form. Modals can't be used in all the tense when a modals does not fall in this pattern. It works as a principal verb. So modals will be used as a principal verb. Example, may, can, shall and will are in the present form, while might, could, should are in the past form. The two forms express different meaning but usually no different of time. Example, the difference between may and might is often that of degrees of possibility, as Sheila may come today, that is a possibility, or likely to be happen. So however, if the verb is in the main clause, it is the past tense. The form might, could, should and would are in the past tense form. It serves as a regular past tenses. So you might use these words as a past tense form. For example, he said I can help you. He said that you may help you. You said she will come back soon. You said that she would come back soon. Third example, Sheetal said, may I use this pen, madam? Answer is, Sheetal said her teacher if she might use that pen, madam. When we want to express the past time in the verb phrases involving modals, we use present perfect tense. Example, Sendil must have reached home by now. You ought to have told me all the facts. Now let's see some of the semi-modals. There are 4 semi-modals you can use to, need to, dare to or ought to. So these are some of the semi-modals we can use. So hope this video will be helpful for you. We can see in the next video. Thank you.